There you have it, commemorating 75 years of the Indian Constitution, the Samvidhan debate in a first. All eyes set in the Parliament. Rajnath Singh all set to lead the government's charge in the Lok Sabha. Priyanka's debut speech in the Lok Sabha expected anytime now on the Samvidhan. 7 Congress speakers, including Priyanka, for a debate. This will, of course, indeed mean the first speech that Priyanka Gandhi will be delivering, and she's chosen to speak on the topic of the Constitution in the Parliament, the Lok Sabha. All eyes set on the multiple speakers with Priyanka's debut speech from the Congress party. You also have Rajnath Singh to be leading the government's charge in the Lok Sabha, along with a host of other leaders. Prime Minister Modi also to be responding a day later. But this is certainly going to be a heated debate on the Constitution, the tenets of the Constitution, the 75 years of adopting the Indian Constitution. Expect attacks, counter-attacks on both sides. Priyanka Gandhi's debut speech on the Samvidhan debate. As we see, this is to commemorate 75 years of the Indian Constitution. The Parliament winter session, a 2-day debate that will be marking 75 years of the Constitution. Host of leaders who've been listed already to be speaking, with Rajnath Singh opening the debate from the government side. This will be today and tomorrow, a very significant event undoubtedly in this ongoing winter session of the Parliament. It will focus entirely on the Constitution and its legacy, its relevance today in modern India. So, in a first, we will see a heated debate on the Samvidhan, on how India has followed the steps and the guidelines, the principles of the Constitution. Of course, expect attacks and counter-attacks on which party and which leader has violated the guidelines of the Constitution, responses that will be coming in as well. So, certainly historic, marking the 75 years of the Indian Constitution. Rajnath Singh will be leading the government's charge in the Lok Sabha. We have lots of reactions pouring in on this. Let's listen in.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी को धन्यवाद दूंगा कि उन्होंने संविधान दिवस के रूप में मनाने का काम किया। देश के नौजवानों को, देश को याद रहे संविधान केवल पॉकेट में संविधान लेने का चीज नहीं है, बल्कि संविधान को व्यवहार में लाने की जरूरत है। और आज चर्चा भी है 2 दिन।
ये कंडीशन तो हमने डाला था कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का डिस्कशन, उसके ऊपर डिस्कशन होना चाहिए, क्योंकि 2 अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल चीज़ें बहुत चल रही है। बहुत से ऑटोनोमस बॉडीज़ को भी ये लोग मिसयूज कर रहे हैं और देश में गवर्नेंस ठीक नहीं है। तो इसलिए हम चाहते थे कि डिबेट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पे हो, और ताकि सभी लोगों को मालूम हो जाए कि सरकार की गवर्नेंस किस ढंग से चल रही है।
संविधान हमने और आपने सबकी जिम्मेदारी सुरक्षित रखना। ये संविधान ही है जो हमारा पथ प्रदर्शक है, पथ दिखाता है, हमें रास्ता दिखाता है। यही संविधान हमें सम्मान दिलाता है, संविधान हमारी रक्षा करता है, संविधान हमारी संजीवनी है, संविधान हमारे पीड़ित परिवार के लिए प्रकाश स्तंभ की तरह है। और अभी तक पीड़ित परिवार और पीड़ित के लोगों को इसने सम्मान दिया है। अब पीड़ित के लोगों की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि संविधान को बचाएं।
बोलेंगे लोग संविधान पे क्या योगदान और न योगदान का है। संविधान ये एनालिसिस करेंगे कि संविधान में जो लिखा है उसकी मंशा के अनुकूल सरकार काम कर रही है कि नहीं कर रही है। किस किस तरह से संविधान की मूल आत्मा जो है, प्रस्तावना और मूल अधिकार, उनको निगेट किया जा रहा है, उसके खिलाफ काम किया जा रहा है। ये सारी बातें हैं। और बीजेपी वाले इमरजेंसी की बात करेंगे, यही चलेगी और क्या चलेगा।
All right, let me bring in Maushami Singh, who's very closely tracking the parliamentary proceedings. A special session to debate the Samvidhan to commemorate 75 years of the constitutional legacy. Maushami, it's indeed historic and important. We know that both sides, the ruling NDA and the opposition, have held their own strategy meetings on what to be speaking, who's to be speaking. From the opposition side, Congress's Priyanka Gandhi is going to be opening up this debate. What's on the agenda for them? Do we know?
Nabila, you know, this is a big debate on the Constitution, and with the winter session almost, seeing a lot of pandemonium, disruptions. This will be the first time round that in this session, leaders will be discussing and debating, and all the oratory skills will be on display from both sides. But interestingly, we are breaking to you the list of speakers in the lower house on day one. Naturally, every party will put in their best players, their best batsmen and batswomen on the pitch to ensure that they get the best shots. And from the treasury benches, from the ruling party, we've got the list that is starts with Rajnath Singh, who of course is opening that debate.